Do you know what's pretty nice? Quicksilver 1.0 came out. If you don't know Quicksilver, it's an application launcher for Mac that does a lot besides launch applications. It's sort of like Alfred or Launchbar, if you know those programs. A few years ago, Quicksilver used to be awesome. Merlin Mann would talk about it a lot, and they'd write about it on Lifehacker all the time back when they used to be interesting. Um, but Nicholas Jitkov, the developer, lost interest in it at some point and open sourced the project and let it go. Pretty quickly, someone took up the challenge, but it took them a few years to get it up to where it was usable again. Um, After a couple of versions of OS 10 had come out, it was just, you couldn't use it. It was too crashy, too slow. So I and a lot of other people went to Alfred, tried Launchpad for a bit, didn't really like it. Alfred looked a little more like the Quicksilver interface I was used to. Um, but with the 1.0 release, Quicksilver seems to have found its legs again, and it's pretty snappy. Doesn't seem crashy yet. Uh, and it can still do most of the awesome things that made it really great in the first place. So I've gone back to Quicksilver for now. Let's see how it shakes out. And to show you how cool it is, I'm just gonna send an email in a really efficient way. So I invoke Quicksilver with a global hotkey. You can set it to whatever you want. It defaults to control space, I think. I have mine set to command space. There you go. And I enter text mode with the period key. Then I type in the subject of my email. Let's see. And to enter the body text, I type those, and I just type in the body text. Obviously, you can type in whatever you want. It's just an email. I like tomatoes, so I type this. Then you go to your actions pane here, and uh, I'll just type email to show you that there are quite a few different actions you can do with emails. I will be using the email to compose, which uses Apple Mail to compose. Opens a compose window. Um, just so you can see what's going on. You could send it directly from Quicksilver, which is obviously even faster, but this is pretty good as well. I go to my third pane here. You might think of it as the object pane in this case. And I type in my own name. Here we go. And I just hit return, and there's my email. If it's done, I can just send it. Uh, Otherwise, I could have written some more stuff for it. Pretty efficient, very, very fast, and you don't have to leave the program you're in to do it. I really like it.